Kuzambola, this is Sangyangmo from 4BHC and welcome to my video lesson. In this video, I'll be talking about weather from class 4 social study textbook. Here I'll be talking about in which season we experience that type of weather and the things we use and wear during that type of weather. So I hope you guys will enjoy watching this video. So what is weather? Weather is the atmospheric condition of a place for a short period of time, and different places will have different type of weather. There are many type of weather, but for today's session we'll be talking about 5 different types of weather, namely sunny, cloudy, windy, rainy, and finally snowy. So, on a summer day, the sky is clear. The sunlight directly falls on the surface of the earth. The day is bright and the places become warm and hot. Generally, we experience this type of weather in spring and summer season, and we usually prefer wearing thin clothes during sunny day because it will be hot. Class, now let's talk about the second type of weather that's known as a cloudy day or a cloudy weather. On the cloudy weather, the sky will be full of clouds because, as you can see here in this picture, the clouds will be blocking the sun rays, whereby sun rays will not be able to penetrate to the clouds, thus resulting in cold or cool weather. This type of weather is common in autumn and winter season. Now let's talk about third type of weather, that is rain or the rainy day. And to know about that, you have to know the formation of clouds. And you all already know that clouds are made out of tiny dust particles and water vapors. You can see that when the sun shines, the sun rays directly fall on the surface of the earth, whereby the earth gets heated up, which leads to evaporation. The water vapor goes up in the air and form a water droplets. Later, these water droplets meet with the dust particles and it leads to the formation of clouds. So after the formation of clouds, the water droplets become too heavy for the clouds to carry, whereby it falls out of the clouds on the ground in the form of water droplet, which we call as a rain. During rainy season or a rainy day, you should not go near the river bank because the river will become bigger as the rain will feed the rivers. We usually experience this type of weather in summer and spring. Fourth type of weather is known as windy. So, we already know that wind is formed due to the uneven heating of the earth. You see that place A is receiving a bright sunshine, whereas place B has no sun. So the place A will be hotter compared to place B, whereby the air from place A will blow or travel to place B, and sometimes there will be increase or fast traveling of the air, which is known as windy. So there is no specific season for this type of weather. It can happen anytime and anywhere. Finally, let's talk about the third type of weather, which is known as snowy weather. So we already know the formation of cloud, and snow and rainfall, it is somewhat similar. The only difference is rainfall in the form of water droplets, whereas snowfall in the form of snowflakes, or we can even say the ice particles, small ice particles. As you can see in this picture, evaporation takes place whereby different water vapors combine together with dust particles and it forms a cloud. And you all know that cloud will not stay still. It will move from one place to another, and we already know that different places will have different weather. Some place will be hotter compared to other place, whereby when the clouds reach to a cooler place, there will be decrease in temperature, whereby these water droplets will condense and freeze, which lead to formation of ice. After the formation of ice in the clouds, later this ice will become heavier for the clouds to carry, so this ice will fall out of the clouds on the ground in the form of snowflakes. So this is how the snowfall take place. We usually experience this type of weather in winter season. So unlike other normal day, during snowy day we'll feel freezing cold, whereby we normally prefer staying home near the heat wearing warm clothes. Recollect what we have learned. We have learned about 5 different types of weather, namely sunny, cloudy, windy, rainy and snowy. And we also defined what is weather. So weather is an atmospheric condition of a place for a short period of time. And you should know that different place will have different type of weather. Example, like if people staying in Parutam experience rain, the people living at Shaba will experience sun, because we are in different place. So weather will be not same in all the place, as you can see in this picture. Some will experience rain, some place will experience sun, some will clouds, and some will rain and snow. So different place will have different type of weather. Not only this, we have also learned about the formation of clouds. Clouds are made out of water vapors, which later turn into tiny water droplets and the dust particles in the air. These water droplets and dust particles combine together and form a cloud. And we know that the formation of rainfall and snowfall is almost same. The only difference is rainfalls fall in the form of water droplets, whereas snowfalls fall in the form of snowflakes. And sunny day will be hot and warm, unlike the snow day, which will be cold and cool.